Hi everybody, I'm Patrick Mullematre, the owner of Fairtech Online Marketing. I hope that you are all healthy and that you adapt well to the current situation. I wanted to give you some feedback from the front. First, we are here, we are bulletproof. Our entire team is working since 14 years from home. So for us, it's business as usual. As online marketer, you can imagine that we are solicited these days, but we give priority to our existing client. Many of you could experience that already. For some, our assistant makes a difference between survival and bankruptcy. From others, it gives a great additional income. For some, it speeds up the digitization process, and this is also the case for Fairtech. Here is some feedback about the market. People are at home, they are bored, and they surf the internet. They spend a lot of time on social media. Here is some feedback from the market. People are bored, they are at home, and they are online, and they spend a lot of time in social media, and they consume. If your clients are not the ones that live from paycheck to paycheck, it's a great opportunity to create additional sales or to reach people you could not reach before. If you did not do the transition to digitalization yet, for many industries, it's the ideal time to do it, as the clients are forced to use online tools now. Results from our SEO lab, where we monitor the behavior of search engine and users since 20 years, show us that same action are nowadays bringing 10 times more result. We run some old ad campaign and they are bringing now more than 10 times more result, the exact same campaign. People buy, especially things for home, which looks logic, that's where they are stuck. They learn, they take courses, they work on the business strategy, they do research online. So if you cannot sell, it's time to create your audience, influence, prepare for tomorrow. That's now the time where you can reach people that didn't want to see your proposition, your offer, your service, your product. Now they have time, they can consider. This situation will speed up the digitalization. Be creative. We are in the front, we see what works and what doesn't. Everybody who approaches to react to the current situation, we could advise and successfully deploy a working plan. My advice is be proactive, be creative. There is always a way. We are here for you, even if it's to give some advice. This is our short update from the front line. The feedback are positive for the ones who are proactive and creative. You can go on our YouTube channel, and if you're not yet a subscriber, you can just search for Fairtech SEO and subscribe. Press the bell to get informed when we post a new video. We are going now to post regularly video with advice, tricks, observation that we see, things that has worked, that we are sure it's 100% working because we see them working, we deploy them with some statistics and straightforward thing that you can do and get informed what is going on, so that you can always be a step ahead of your competitor and the situation. Take care of yourself, of your family, stay safe, wash your hand, and I'm looking forward to meet you soon again in person. Thank you.